Good morning children. This video is for class 2 students and the subject is computer. It is from chapter number 3. I have written here today's date, that is 9th of July 2020. It is 9th video, that's why I have written here part 9 and some more extra questions I am going to give you in this chapter. So let's start today's class. First of all, you just take out your computer copy, write down there today's date, chapter number 3, and then extra question answers. As you can see, I have already written here what are the questions I have prepared for you inside the chapter which you have to learn. The first question is, write about these input devices. The name of this chapter is input and output devices. So first of all, you have to write about these input devices. So first one is keyboard. All of you know that mouse and keyboard are the input devices. So first of all, keyboard, and about keyboard I am going to start writing here. You have to write it in your copy, computer copy. So first of all, do all these things which I have written here, and then after start writing the question and then answer. Number 1, it is about keyboard. So what are the uses of keyboard? Keyboard is used to send instructions by, or we can write here instead of by, we can write here send instructions to the computer by pressing the keys or button on it. To the computer by pressing the keys or button on it. All of you know that keyboard is having different keys, and each keys are having each unique work or unique things you can type with the help of those keys. So when you are going to press those keys, you are able to type on the computer. So with the help of keyboard, we can send the instructions to the computer by pressing the keys on the keyboard. The next input device is mouse. What are the uses of mouse? We have to write here. Mouse is used to select, move, or to draw pictures on the screen. So mouse is used to select, move, or to draw the pictures on the screen. The next question what I have written here, write about these output device. First of all, we have written about input devices, keyboard and mouse, and now we have to write about these output devices. So first is monitor. What is the work of monitor and what is the use of monitor? This one we have to write it here. So first of all, you write this question in your copy, and then number 1, monitor. Monitor is used to display output or results on the screen. Monitor is used to display output or results on the screen. The next one is printer. It is printer. What is the work of printer? Printer is used to print the results on a paper. Printer is used to print the results on a paper. So number 1 is monitor, number 2 is printer. Now number 3. Number 3 I have written here the speaker. So what is the work of a speaker, or what is the use of a speaker? Speaker is used to produce sound when it is attached to a computer. Speaker is used to produce sound when it is attached to a computer. The next one is pen drive. What is the use of pen drive? Pen drive is used for storing files, informations, etc. Pen drive is used for storing files, informations, etc. The next one is CD. So first of all we are going to write the full form of CD. What is the full form of CD? CD stands for compact disc. CD stands for compact disc. It is used for storing data, files and folders. CD is used for storing data, files and folders. So what is the use of CD? So first we have written here the full form of CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is used for storing data, files and folders. So these are the extra questions which you have to write down in your computer copy. As you know that in previous video, some more extra questions I have given you. And there you can see I had given you this input device, output device, single click and double click. And now in today's class I have given you write about these input devices. First one is keyboard. Keyboard is used to send instructions to the computer by pressing the keys or button on it. The next one is number 2, mouse. Mouse is used to select, move or to draw pictures on the screen. The next is write about these output devices. First one, monitor. Monitor is used to display output or results on the screen. The next one is printer. Printer is used to print the results on a paper. Next one is number 3. You can see speaker. Speaker is used to produce sound when it attached to a computer. Next is number 4, pen drive. Pen drive is used for storing files, informations, etc. Number 5, it is CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is used for storing data, files and folders. Now what you have to do when you are going to write it in your copy, computer copy, first of all, keyboard. Before writing the keyboard, you have to just draw a keyboard and then start writing about it. Then again you are moving to mouse. First of all, you have to draw the mouse and then start writing about mouse. In next, monitor. First you have to draw the monitor, then start writing about it. Next one is printer. First you have to draw the printer, then start writing about printer. Like this you have to do for each and every input output devices. Next one is speaker. Speaker you have to draw and then write it about it. Then pen drive, you have to draw the pen drive, then start writing. Then again in CD you have to draw the CD, start writing in your copy. So from in your book all the pictures are given. You can look at those pictures and draw it in your copy, also color it and then start writing these uses of these input and output devices in your copy. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.